Hi everyone, my name is Abby Church. Excuse me, my voice, I'm fighting a cold or sinus infection, so I'm congested and have a sniffle, so sorry for that. I am currently an assistant director for our school district's early childhood program here in McPherson, Kansas, a small town right in central Kansas. I have currently been in this role this is my 7th year now. I graduated a long time ago from Kansas State University with a degree in early childhood education, and in my, since 16 years, almost 17 years, I have taught and had different roles within early childhood, both in the public and private sector. And so I've taught, I've done curriculum coaching. I've been an assistant director of a private preschool. And so just kind of had different hats and roles. And I am currently in my 3rd semester of getting my master's in instructional technology. And I hope to use that to do more, utilize it more with professional development, coaching, training. I love those pieces of my job currently. And so I would like to be able to utilize what I've learned in a new and maybe different direction, but still within early childhood. Hopefully, that's my passion. So, as we move on to talk about both good and bad characteristics of a leader, one of the main ones I think of as a bad characteristic of a leader is having poor communication, being very egocentric. It's their way or their highway. They know everything, and they're a leader that doesn't like to get in the trenches. They like to sit back and watch, but not fully understand what their team and staff are working through and experiencing. But good characteristics of a leader, I feel like, is someone that brings a lot of positive energy. They have a positive personality. They're respected. They value their staff and their thoughts and ideas. They're great at communicating, which, everyone tends to have areas that they need to improve on with communication. But for the most part, has good verbal and written communication. They're a team player. They're not afraid to get in there and get their hands dirty per se. Those are just all good characteristics I think are in a good leader. One that understands what their role means as a leader and being able to inspire and motivate their staff. So those are my good and bad characteristics of a leader. I look forward to working with you all over the next 8 weeks.